Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Rocket. Today's video, I've spotted an arbitrage opportunity on Binance. Okay, and today's video I'll be doing using Rune for this particular arbitrage. Okay, that is chain. Okay, I'll be using it for this particular arbitrage, and this will be in between inside Binance alone. Okay, I'll be doing the arbitrage inside Binance. Okay, and Rune is being trading at $1.42. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, if you have not subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe. And if you have not liked this video, please do like this video, okay, so that I will have more times to be taking you on this particular arbitrage opportunity. Okay, and if you want to be participating on this particular arbitrage, okay, first put it on a trial, as I will do right now. You put it on a trial, and if the thing work, you can go ahead and participate on it. Okay, but if it did not work, you know that the arbitrage have passed and you wait for another one. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive in on today's video. Right, so you will log into your Binance account. By the way, if you have not registered on Binance account, you use my link on my description below to register on Binance account. Once you register, you log in and go to trade, click on the search and type BNB, right? And type BNB. You see BNB USDT. You click on it, and you, as I always do, I used to use 1000. Use 1000, which will give you 4.597 worth of BNB. You now click on here and type Rune. Then you now use Rune BNB, and you now put the Rune you just copied earlier, and you give you these particular figures, right? And you copy it and go back and type Rune. You see Rune ETH, and you paste the Rune you copied earlier. You'll be selling right now. You paste the Rune you copied earlier for the selling, and you copy the ETH. Now you go and put ETH USDT. Now you will be selling it for profit right now. Okay, so you put the ETH you copied daily, and you'll be making $5 per transaction. 1000, you started with 1000, I am making $5 profit. Okay, and if you can do this 10 times, 5 times, you'll be making a lot of profit. If this is twice, you are making $10. If you do it like 4 times, almost $20. Okay, and you'll be making $20 in just a day, right? And that's massive, guys. That's massive. It's okay. Okay, so you can even put more money. You can put up to 10,000 USDT for this, and you will make your profits out of it. Okay, please subscribe on my channel. Hit the like button. Share this video to your friends so that they will watch and participate. Okay, so see you on my next video. Thank you.